Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S10 FE and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about tablet. Then let's scroll down, tap on software information and localize build number. Now keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, so be aware, because if you've got the screen lock, you will need to enter to confirm. As you can see, we've got some kind of problems. Let me enter it again. All right, and here we've got it. So before I just missed it and tapped next to it, so it was closed. So remember, you will have to enter your pattern pin or password and confirm it with OK. Now we've got this information that the developer mode has been enabled, and after getting back to this left section and after scrolling down, we can see developer options. So here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can, I don't know, force allow apps on external, you can show view updates, show text ID, show key presses, etc. Basically all you need to do is to tap on the switcher on the specific option and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the very top of the list. And after tapping on any other section, you will see that the developer options will disappear from the settings on the left. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build numbers tab and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.